Transforming your home into a stylish and functional space doesn't have to break the bank. Welcome to the secret world of budget-friendly home upgrades, where creativity meets savings and small changes yield big rewards. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a novice seeking a fresh start, this guide will reveal ingenious methods to rejuvenate your living space, all while staying within your budget. The journey begins with a significant yet often underestimated aspect of home improvement: paint. One of the most cost-effective ways to alter the ambiance of a room is through color. A fresh coat of paint can do wonders in brightening a space or creating a cozy atmosphere. Neutral tones provide a timeless, elegant look, while bold colors can make a statement. Consider an accent wall, a splash of color that draws the eye and adds depth. Next, let us delve into the world of lighting. Lighting not only impacts the mood, but also the functionality of a space. Switching to energy-efficient LED bulbs is a brilliant start. These bulbs use less power and have a longer lifespan than traditional bulbs, saving you money in the long run. Layered lighting is another strategy to consider. Combine overhead lights with floor or table lamps to adjust the ambiance according to your needs. With dimmable lighting, you can add a touch of sophistication and versatility to any room. One of the often overlooked yet impactful changes involves updating hardware. Simple swaps such as drawer pulls, cabinet knobs, or even switch plates can freshen up a room without significant expense. Look for unique pieces that reflect your style, adding a personal touch to your home. Thrift stores, online marketplaces, and clearance sales are treasure troves for such finds, allowing you to curate a distinctive yet affordable aesthetic. Now, let's address flooring. While replacing flooring can be expensive, there are budget-friendly alternatives that don't compromise on style. Peel and stick tiles or laminate flooring are practical solutions for those looking to revitalize their home without a hefty price tag. These options are easy to install and offer various patterns and finishes to match any decor. Moving on, don't underestimate the power of textiles. New curtains, throw pillows, or area rugs can introduce texture, color, and warmth to your home. Opt for materials that reflect current trends or your personal style, be it minimalist chic or bohemian flair. These changes are not only affordable, but they also allow for seasonal updates, keeping your space lively and inviting all year round. Lastly, consider incorporating greenery. Plants purify the air, add color, and create a tranquil environment. Succulents, ferns, or small potted plants are low-maintenance options that can brighten any corner of your home. For a creative twist, use unconventional containers like vintage teacups or repurposed jars to house your greenery. As we conclude this exploration into budget-friendly home upgrades, remember that transforming your living space is not solely about cost, but about creativity and resourcefulness. Each small change contributes to a cohesive and refreshed environment, reflecting your individuality and style. Embrace these simple yet effective strategies and watch your home transform into a sanctuary of comfort and elegance. Thank you for joining us in uncovering the secrets of affordable home improvements. Until next time, happy upgrading!